This is sycophancy of a different kind after education institutions including 12,000 private schools which decided to remain shut today. Now sports bodies are jumping into the Support Amma campaign. Eminent sports personalities including Olympic gold medalists and Padma Shri and Arjuna awardees are expected to carry out a signature campaign to garner support for the convicted former former Chief Minister and AIA-DMK Supremo. Those taking part in the campaign are Joshna Chinnappa, Shiny Wilson and Olympic gold medalist Padma Shri Bhaskaran. Let's get an word from our correspondent Shesha Reddy, who's with us live this morning. Shesha, after education institutions, now sports persons also jumping in, trying to garner support for the AIA-DMK chief, especially on a day when her bail plea comes up for hearing.
Well, that's exactly right, Simi, because as Tamil Nadu as a whole, we have been seeing a lot of protesting. Yesterday also, the federation associations had decided to shut down today to show their solidarity and support to the former chief minister of the state. But this time, yes, after criticism, they had to withdraw the circular. But now the sports personalities have come out to garner support. They will be gathering the place where I'm standing right now to sign in a petition to express their solidarity. I'm now joined by the president of the Tamil Nadu Rugby Football Association, Mr. Raju. Who are the people who are expected here, and what is that you are trying to convey?
We are trying to convey the solidarity that we are expressing behind Amma. She is supported in our tough times and we want to stand behind her in her tough times. We are not against any legal entities or anything, but we just want to show our support that we believe in Amma and we want to stand behind whenever there is tough times for her. So we just want to show that today, and there are a lot of sports personalities who are going to come in.
I'd like to put the question to Bharaneshwaran, who is the chairman of the Tamil Nadu Rugby Football Association. Who are the people who are likely to be attending this petition?
We have Shiny Wilson is likely to come and attend, and also Mr. Bhaskar from hockey, he is likely to join, and also we have Sunny, he's an international basketball player, and Mr. Vijay Phillips.
There are quite a few eminent sports personalities will be joining this petition seeking in support of the former Chief Minister of the state, J. Jayalalitha. Back to you, Sini.
And Shesha, what do these sports persons and heads of associations have to say about corruption charges that have been confirmed by a lower court against Jayalalitha?
Well, Seema, that's what exactly Raju was pointing out, that they are not against any court or any law, any judiciary, but they just want to show their support to the former Chief Minister. And this is the sentiment that has been echoing in different parts of the state, and even the Federation Union Association said the same, and we have been seeing students protesting, teachers protesting, and now it has reached the doorsteps of the sports personalities too.
All right, Shesha, thanks so much for that update. Sycophancy of a different nature after education institutions. Now sports bodies also come out launching a campaign for Jayalalitha.